Okay, so this is our speed detection project, our software engineering project, and we are group number 3. Initially, we were given the human speed detection, but we generalized it to speed detection for any type of object. And this is the home page of our website. So first we'll sign up. Successful sign up, successful login. After successfully logging in, we'll come to the upload page where we will be able to upload the video file in which we want the object to be detected. So here I am selecting this video of cars moving on highway, and here we'll enter the object that we want to be detected. And basically there are these other two prompts, which are positive image prompt and the negative image prompt. Basically, if the XML file for the object that we want to be detected, if it is not already pre-generated or existing, using this positive and negative image prompt will be able to generate those XML files. But right now the car's XML file is already pre-generated in the database, so we'll be able to use it directly. So you can just write anything in here. And after clicking on upload, the speed detection will start, and you can see that these green boxes are appearing on these cars, and it is able to detect the speed of the object in kilometer per hour. So basically now what is happening, that the using a HAR cascade classifier and using the XML data set, either pre-generated or it will be generated while after during the runtime. So basically it is able to detect this object, and we are able to find the speed by calculating the distance that the tracked object travels over a time frame. Basically, the time difference between two frames, that is the time, and the distance that it travels between the two frames, that is the distance. And if we divide those two, we'll get the speed of the object. Now, while this algorithm was running in the backend, it was also storing the speed data, the frame data, and the object it is tracking in a CSV file. And after this algorithm finishes running, what will happen is that this CSV data will go to another script, graph script, and using the CSV data, the graph script will be able to generate the speed graphs for all the objects that were tracked during the video feed. And for the user, that is the current active user who has just logged in, for that user, that speed graphs will be available to him or her on the history page. So if we go back, the history page will directly appear. Here we also have the logout thing, and it will take some time for the history page to load the data from MongoDB, the speed graph data. But as you can see, these are the speed graphs of the different objects that were tracked during the video. Now, what will happen if the XML file is not already generated? So basically, as I told before, the positive image and negative image input fields are for just that. From the user will take these two prompts, and what will happen is that there is a image crawler script which will crawl images from the web browsers like Bing and Google, and it will store all the positive and negative images in a place and pass them through a cascade trainer software, which in turn will generate the XML file. But one problem is that this crawling of images from the web browser and then generation of the XML file from those images, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of times because the image scroll, because in order to make a good XML data set, in order to correctly and accurately detect the object, we need a large number of images, and that takes a lot of time. And to accurately form the XML file, we also need to do a lot of iterations, which again takes a lot of time. Therefore, one solution for the user to immediately start detecting the object is that we keep a lot of pre-generated XML files, like that of a red ball, human faces, cars, etc. And so that is the solution, and this is just our about us page, and that's all for the project. Thank you.